Hello, thanks for joining us. Today we are going to be looking at the professional wallpaper steamer. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to remove old vinyl or wallpaper without damaging your walls, then this piece of equipment is exactly what you need. The steamer runs on a standard 240 volt power supply, weighs less than 9 kilograms without water, and has a 5 meter long hose. It's easy to transport and simple to set up. Before using the steamer, we recommend that you clear the room of any carpets, rugs and obstructions such as tables and furniture. Then cover the floorboards with plastic sheeting and tape plastic bags over electrical sockets and switches. Where possible, you should isolate the electricity in the room and turn the power off. If you need to cover the furniture in the room, you can find dust sheets at hss.com. Looking at the steamer, you'll notice it has a few key features that help make the job at hand as easy as possible. For example, it has this handy built-in step helping you reach those difficult areas. Within the unit there are wind-up reels that help tidy away the power cable and hose. Once you've prepped the room, the next thing to do is perforate the old wallpaper or vinyl. This can be done quickly with a spiked roller. Perforating the old material creates small holes which allow the steam to penetrate the surface and loosen any adhesive. To use the steamer, place it on firm, even ground and uncoil the cable and hose. There are 2 tank caps on top of the unit. Number 1 is for filling and number 2 is for emptying. To unscrew cap 1, you'll need to raise the safety lever and turn it in a 90 degrees anti-clockwise direction. You may need to apply a small amount of downwards force while doing so. Cap 2 has a safety pressure system and can be unscrewed once the water has cooled down to a sufficient temperature. Next, fill the tank to the maximum level. This should take around 7.5 litres of water and should be enough to use the steamer for up to 90 minutes. Place the steam plate in a bucket and turn the power on. Once done, this light will illuminate, indicating whether it is on or off. Allow the plate to heat for 10 to 15 minutes. Once it produces enough steam, it's ready to use. To remove the wallpaper, start at the bottom of the wall and hold the steamer against an area for around 10 seconds. The paper should begin to loosen. Slowly work your way up the wall and remove the loosened paper with a wallpaper knife or scraper. When doing so, be careful not to dig into the wall behind. If the paper is still not loosened, then you can steam it a little longer. We recommend that you wear PPE with this equipment: gloves, goggles and protective clothing, as it can get messy once the wallpaper comes off the wall. Suppose you'd like to learn more about our steamers or guides on stripping wallpaper and other DIY advice? Visit hss.com today.